soft waves caress and the seagull wings. A quiet town wrapped in sunshine's glow, where time slows down and the heart can flow. Golden beaches stretch like a warm embrace, footprints left softly, a transient trace. Wildflowers bloom in the coastal air. Nature's sweet whispers linger everywhere. Sunsets ignite the sky with fire. Colors blend gently, igniting desire. Families gather, laughter fills the night. In this cherished spot, everything feels right. From the time